Good morning students, how are you? We are meeting you after a long time. So today we are going to study packing efficiency. Already we have studied unit cell and crystal lattice. Today how the spheres or the particles are arranged. So we know that in simple cubic the particles are closely arranged like this. Isn't it? Here actually a cube is there. In a simple cubic the particles are closely arranged. So here, how much it is packed? Percentage of particles occupied in a unit cell is known as packing efficiency. What is packing efficiency? The percentage of particles, how much particles is arranged, how much it is empty spaces. So, how much particles, that is packing efficiency. The packing efficiency is calculated by a formula Z into volume of the sphere divided by volume of the unit cell into 100. So this is the formula. Packing efficiency is equal to Z. What is Z? Z is the number of atoms in the unit cell. And Vs is nothing but the volume of the sphere. And Vu is the volume of the unit cell. Vs stands for volume of sphere, volume of the sphere, and Vu stands for volume of the unit cell. Now we already studied that Z value equal to 1 for simple cubic. For simple cubic, Z value is 1. Z value is 2 for body centered. And Z value is equal to 4 for face centered. So now, today we are going to study what is the packing efficiency for simple cubic, what is the packing efficiency for body centered, and what is the packing efficiency in face centered. So once again you recall, Z equal to 1 for simple cubic, Z equal to 2 for body centered. What is Z? Z equal to number of atoms in a unit cell. Okay, you understand? So what is packing efficiency? Percentage of particles occupied in the unit cell. Now first we are going to study for simple cubic. First we are going to study for simple cubic. In simple cubic, 4 atoms are closely packed like this. So let the radius of the sphere equal to R. The radius of the sphere is R. So here, and see, this is one. We can say that edge length equal to A. Edge length equal to A. Suppose this is the first phase of the unit cell, simple cubic. The simple cubic is like this. Here 4 atoms, front atoms are there. Here this is A, B, C, D. If I consider AB, the edge AB equal to A. Length will be A centimeter. Let us keep it AB equal to A centimeter. And we can able to see that this portion radius equal to R. So the AB can also be written as 2R because here one R is there, here one R is there. So AB is also equal to 2R. So if I compare this equation 1 and equation 2, then I can get A equal to 2R. Now, what is the packing efficiency? Packing efficiency equal to Z into volume of the sphere divided by volume of the unit cell into 100. So, you remember it, sphere is the smaller one and unit cell is the bigger one. The smaller one will be the numerator and bigger one will be the denominator. Into 100 is the formula. Here z value equal to 1 and the volume of the sphere, you know that volume of the sphere equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube is the formula for volume of the sphere. Volume of the unit cell in the form of a cube. So unit cell in the form of a cube. So cube, the formula. So volume of the cube. See here, a cube. You know the volume of the cube is a cube into 100. So this is the formula. Now I'm rubbing here. Now 4 by 3 pi r cube divided by a. I am writing a. Already we know that a equal to 2r. So instead of a, I am putting 2r whole cube into 100. So once again 4 by 3 pi r cube divided by 8r cube into 100. Just I am expanding this 2r. So 8r cube. Now r cube will get cancelled. Then this 4 by 3, this 8 is nothing but 8 by 1. 8 by 1 reciprocal, it will become 1 by 8 into pi is value is 22 by 7 into 100. So I am converting everything in form of numbers. So 4 1 times, 2 times, and again 2 1 times, 50 times. So 22 into 50 divided by 21. 7 into 3, 21. So this comes around approximately 54%. 52.4% it will come. So this is the packing efficiency. For simple cubic. So what is the meaning of this? In simple cubic, 52.4% was occupied by the spheres, isn't it? So do you understand that? So how we can calculate the packing efficiency for a simple cubic? Okay, thank you.